take it, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video, like, I have two homeworks. Like, they are making two projects. Like, one is making a landscape from these acrylic colors. Wait, let me unbox it. Okay, with these acrylic colors. And the other project is that I have to make a catapult. For like, I had a group named Mini Mechanics for that. So yes, first let me make the canvas project and then the catapult. Okay, so let's start. Yes guys, look, my first project is completed. Like, I took some help from my mother cause it's compulsory. Without mother, you can't do anything. Like, if you like this project, so please give this a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down. Now I've started my second project and it is still in the progress. So guys, now it's ready. Look, and let me show you. Like that, alright? Like this. Like, I've ordered something to go bring. I've ordered to Harim to go a thermopole ball. When she'll come, and then I'm gonna show you that how should we shoot. Like, it's too cool. Guys, now both of my projects are completed. So now comment down below that do you like this project and rate it down like for out of 10. Alright, and that's out of 15. Okay, so if you like this video, no, not yet. Wait, let Harim come and then. So guys, now Harim is here. Harim come. And I have that thermopole and now that's all over there. Like, show me. One more try. Now. Whoa, bro, it's too cool. So guys, now if you like this video, so please give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below that do you like this project or that project. So, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share to this video. Like, share with your fellow friends and everyone. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, peace.